If it wasn't for you all, I wouldn't have been here. So big them up. You got a fast car. I got a ticket to take you anywhere. Maybe we can make a deal. Maybe together we can get somewhere. Any place is better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make some. Hey, me myself, I got nothing to prove. Well, yeah, hey, hey. Yo, Wagwan, come in. Yo, I have some people who want to big up today. This video is all about bigging up people and giving us some motivation. You see me? First and foremost, I would love to big up God, the man up above. Thank you for everything that you've done for me. Secondly, I want to big up my mama and my daddy. Big up on myself, my love you know. If it wasn't for you all, I wouldn't have been here. So big them up. Daddy, you're not there, but still, I'm not left you, so don't know. You're up there, so I look down for your daughter. Big up yourself. Alright. I want to big up my kids. You guys, you don't know that I got mad love for you. Mommy got mad love for you. I love you, boo. I love you, boo. Yeah. Yo. Yo, my brother and my sister, them. When I call out to the name, I don't know. Say my love for no bad. I long for soon. I can't wait for a family reunion. I want to big up my subbies. I want to big up all of my subscribers and all of my viewers. If it wasn't for you guys, I would not make that video here for put part of this channel for showing how much I appreciate it. So I'm big up. Thank you. Differently from that, I have a few subscribers who ask me drop a video. Them dead upon it like them. They still gonna wait for it. One big up, I'm gonna call out to the name. Clean Jennings, I see you, boo. I see you. Big up yourself, you're large. All of my videos, they made upon it. Sometimes it's like you and somebody else are run for #1 position for type or for watch it. Mad love to you. Thank you so much. Andrew McLaren. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Another person. I haven't met this guy, but he's also a YouTuber. He's all the way in Netherlands, but him always I watch my video. Always send traffic to my channel. Yo, mad traffic. PD viewer, big up yourself. Blessed, my brother. Guidance and protection. Alright. All of my subscribers there. Everybody, I can't call out every name. But you know you're watching in silence or it's there and I know. Big up all of them, I love you, I thank you, I appreciate you. On my way to 1,000 subscribers, thank you. Wally. I don't come for pretty up nothing tonight, I just come to show some mad love and some appreciation. So I have a list, because I can't remember everything. Alright. Alien, big up yourself, my sister, blessings. You always a share. Always a share on your page, we see it. Charge you for the hey, how far you come from? You share almost everyone on my post. Thank you. Well, Daniel, cousin, big up yourself. You know I love you. Who again? I'm gonna say everybody, we can't count all the names, so nobody know, but I'm vexed with me because more shout outs are coming. This is one of many to come. So big up on yourself to everybody, whatever you do to help me to get this far, whether encouragement, hanging with me, whether it be encouragement or hanging with me, review my video, give me ideas. Call me out when I'm not posting often enough, like, hey Nikki, what's up? You're not posting, what's up? We need to see something from you, so post something. Big up on yourself and thanks, you know? Alright. I want to tell you something to my miss. If you listen to the background, you hear me, I listen to some Lovers Rock from the good old Jamaica. I miss my country, man. I long to hear things like Brownie, Wagwan. Why you get that body there? I long to hear Brownie, but I swim through Shelby McAfee, you know. I long to hear that. I long for the beach, the sky. Yo, some good old church and festival. Elsha, oh my God, I long for the long country ride. I can't wait for drop a yard. I long for chat and laugh and chat and laugh and chat and laugh about foolishness and long time days. Why? You're fired under the same thing like Jamaican. I long for call up to my neighbor them and say, well, go and come for some food because I and chat. It's not the same thing. Yo, I have neighbors and I don't know what them look like. The door them always locked, I don't know what them look like. I long to walk out through the community. Yo, hear them lovers right in the background. Yo, anybody see Shoppy? Big him up for me. I can't remember when I grew up on the lane out of Almond Street and them song here. I disturb him, I can't sleep just a few things. But Shoppy, big up yourself and the whole Brandon Hill crew. Big up on yourself. Everybody, big up on yourself. I'm missing up. Alright, on to the next one. What else? But guys, I won't be staying much longer, but I want to leave you with some motivation as always. Just remember that not all storms that come in your life come to disrupt it. Some storms come to clear your path. So just cut and go through, you see me? Also remember that behind every dark cloud there is a silver lining. So just if you're in the valley, just look up because there's always a mountain top. And while you look up, go on upon God and remember Him. Trust me. So that's my 2 cents for tonight. Just know say, Nikki appreciate you and Nikki love you. Yo, when I edit that video, it's a go raw same you. Big up on yourself, bless up on yourself. Thank. But they are drinking some of my good old story. The people on my channel love to see them just want it so. When I'm looking at Jamaican friend over here, call it the good juice. Just say, yo, Nikki send me 6 back of the good juice. Alright? Just say, no. Big up on yourself. Bye-bye to us. Love you. Big up yourself. Bless. Mwah.
You found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun.